Hello everyone. Our project is Social Media Analysis using Neo4j. It is a group project by Shweta Pandey, Shefali Chaudhary and Sakshi Irmani. So first we will see what is social media analytics. Social media analytics is the ability to gather and find meaning in the data gathered from social channels to support business decisions and measure the performance of actions based on those decisions through social media. So, what are the needs of social media analysis? It increases the customer acquisition. It also protects brand health. It lowers customer care cost. It maximizes product launches. It also boosts campaign performance and improve the crisis management. So for this project, we are using Google Colab as IDE. The language used in this project is Python. The main libraries used by our project are Py2Neo and Pandas. Py2Neo is a client library and toolkit for working with Neo4j from within Python application. Pandas is to visualize data into tabular format. And for this project we are using Neo4j database. So now we will see the implementation part. Neo4j is a graph database management system used to store, retrieve, and manage data in the form of nodes, relationship, and properties. The language used is Cipher query language. It is used to extract values or features from the databases. So, in Neo4j, we have Sandbox. Sandbox is a free cloud-based instance of Neo4j, where we can learn about Neo4j. We can test our ideas or play around with pre-built data examples. Now we will create a social media network and will analyze how different people will interact with different social media accounts or websites. For this, we will require a free Neo4j account. Then we will create a blank sandbox. Sandbox expires in 3 days. This is the username, password, bold URL or IP address. Now we will move to Google Colab for our Python script. First we will install Py2Neo. After installing it successfully, we will import graph node relationship from Py2Neo. We will also import pandas. Then we will establish a connection with Neo4j sandbox. We will include the IP address, username and password. So, a connection is successfully established between Python script and Neo4j sandbox. So now we will create some social media platform nodes. So for example, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitter and LinkedIn. So this is the label that it is a social media node and the title is Instagram and the tagline is capture and share the world's movement. And we will assign different taglines to different social media nodes also. So now we will create user nodes. Like Chandler is a node and the label is person and its date of birth is 1968 and he's from USA and he is a male. And we will create different user nodes. So we have created the variables for the nodes but we haven't pushed it to Sandbox. So we have to store the nodes in graph. For this, we will use graph.create. Now we will add different relationships between social media nodes and user nodes. Like Monica uses Facebook and she has joined in the year 2019, and the total screen time of Monica is 97, and she has given rating 4.5 to Facebook. So after creating the relationship, our graph will look like this. Like these are the social media nodes, Facebook, WhatsApp, and these are the user nodes, and these are the relationships. So now we will see the data analysis with Neo4j. So for that we will use Cypher queries. Cypher query language is used to extract values or features from the databases. So the first query is that we have to find out the top 3 social media platforms that has the most number of users. We will count the users of different social media nodes, and we will arrange it into descending order, and then we will choose the top 3, and we will store the result in result1 variable, and then we will print it. So here we can see that WhatsApp has the most number of users, 12 in our database. So now we'll see the second query. It is that we have to find out the platform that has the highest rating. So this is the query. For that we will calculate the average rating, and then we will arrange it into descending order and store it into result2 variable, and then we will print it. So we can see here that Instagram has the highest rating among all the other social media network. So for the third query is that we have to find out the total screen time of the user and which social media platform has the most screen time. So this is the query for that also, and we will print the result here, and we can see here that Chandler uses Instagram and his screen time is 150. The fourth query is that we have to find out the eldest and youngest person with their choice of social media. Here we are using two queries, and then we will use union all operation, and the result is this, that the young eldest person is this and youngest person is this, and he uses Twitter and Facebook respectively. And the fifth query is that we have to find the number of male and female users for each social media platform. So this is a query for this question, and we will print the result, and we can find out that WhatsApp has 7 male and 5 female, and we can also find for other social media nodes. So this is the implementation of a project. Thank you.